मैं स्टैचू ऑफ इक्वालिटी जाएंगे। कितना कितना?
शमशाबाद इधर ही है ना।
उसको नहीं हिंदी आता।
हो जाएगा हो जाएगा।
अरे 5 मिनट तो है ना, 5 मिनट लगेगा ना। आंटी का घर शमशाबाद।
मेरा मम्मी इसका आंटी आपको करे
अभी बहुत जगह से we are going to see the statue of equality. This is the second tallest statue in the world, which is in sitting posture. The tallest one is in Thailand, which is of Lord Buddha. The idea of building the statue of Ramanujacharya was of the Chinna Jeeyar Trust of Muchintal to commemorate 1000 years of birth of this scholar. The building of the statue is highly commendable because, to be frank, I had a very vague idea about Ramanujacharya. So, when PM Narendra Modi unveiled this statue in February 2022, I remember that I had searched in Google about this scholar. And this time, when I have again come to Hyderabad, I have made it a point to come over here and see the statue. Photography and videography is not allowed over here, so that is one drawback, and there is entrance fee of ₹200. A tourist attraction now, and there is ample of space for car parking. The best thing is that the present and the future generation will remember his immense contribution towards preserving and spreading the values of Sanatan Dharma. Our heartfelt homage goes for this legend. Ramanujacharya was one of the first to have planted the seeds of bhakti, of inner peace and devotion in its most intimate form. His respect for people of all sects made him very popular, and his simplified philosophy gained him accessibility among the mass. He was one of the brightest torchbearers of the Hindu Vaishnava sect. The statue of this revered social reformer indeed stands true to its epithet, the statue of equality. All sects of Hyderabad is the bus pass is for 120 rupees, which is valid for 24 hours, and it costs rupees 120 only. So I'll just give an idea what is the fare. Like from Secunderabad railway station till Charminar, which is 10 kilometers distance, the bus fare is 40 rupees per person. So from here you can understand the bus fare of Hyderabad more or less. So and Muchintal village is around 30 kilometers far from Charminar. So we used the 24 hours pass to come over here, which we think is will save some money, and it's a really great initiative taken by the government over here. Show you the beautiful 108 temples which is there inside the temple complex, and if you want to see those, then you have to come to see the statue of equality in Muchintal.